Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, we'll be tackling lab investigations on Ilara's HMIS. For this feature, we have two sections, which is the laboratory and the imaging section. We'll start off with the laboratory. Once you're in a patient encounter, you'll be able to see the investigation section. On click, you'll get to see two sections, the lab and the imaging. For the lab, we have a search input where you get to search for the test by either the name or even the department of the test. And we also have the other investigation request input where you get to input a specific request. For the search, I'll start by searching lipid profile. You can see that it's available, and once you select it, you can request for the investigation. And just like that, the investigation is requested and it's now visible to the lab technician. Alternatively, we have a view available investigation link on the right of the search input. Once you click on it, a listing of all the departments available will appear, and when you open the accordion, you'll get to see a listing of all the tests under that department. On the right, we have a request link where when you click on it, it will automatically select the test and it is ready to request for the investigation. And just like that, the request is requested successfully. Next, we have the other investigations request input, where you get to input the name of the request and add any additional request notes if there's any. And just like that, you can request for the investigation and it will automatically be visible to the lab technician. Lastly, we'll head to the last tab, which is imaging. For imaging, it's technically the same as the lab one since we have the same features. We have the search by name. You can also get to view available investigations as well. There is other investigation request input where you get to input the request specifically and add any request notes if there's any. And just like that, you can easily request for the investigation. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this that will enable you to fully maximize Ilara's HMIS